Happy morning everyone. Welcome to the social science class. Before starting the topic, let's recall some points from the previous class. So what we studied in the previous class, children? We have studied about latitudes. Isn't it? We have studied about latitudes. What are latitudes? They are the imaginary lines which run parallel to the equator. Latitudes are the imaginary lines which run parallel to the equator. So they run parallel to the equator. So they are also called as parallels of latitudes. So they are also called as parallels of latitudes. Equator is the longest latitude. Equator is the longest latitude and it divides the earth into two halves. It divides the earth into two halves. The part near to the north is called northern hemisphere and the part which is near to the south is called southern hemisphere. So there are totally 181 latitudes. So latitudes are very much useful to know the position of a place towards south or north of the equator. So they will help us to know the position of a place. They will help us to know the position of the place. So these all things we have studied or discussed in the previous class. So let's continue from longitudes. Let's continue with longitudes. What are longitudes? Before that, I hope some of your relatives or your friends, so your any family members were settled. They have settled in other countries like New York, Australia, US, London. So I hope often you will speak to them through phone. You will speak to them. So if you might have observed that when you will be speaking to them, if you are speaking to them during night, for them it will be day. If you are speaking to them morning, it will be night for them. So there is a variation. There is a variation in the time or date. There is a variation in the time or date as we compare to India with other countries. Why it happens? So we will study in this class. Before that, I will show you one chart. So I will show you one chart. There in that you can observe the variation in the time from India to other countries. India with other countries. Okay. So see this chart and observe. So in India, you can see the date is 14th November and the time is 9 a.m. 9 a.m. in the morning. So you compare with New York. You compare the time and date with New York. It is 13th November in New York and 10:30 p.m. night. It is night. So there is a difference of 13 hours. There is a difference of 13.5 hours. Okay. Then you compare with India to France. India to France. So 14th November date is same, but the time is here 9 a.m. For them it is 4:30 a.m. Early morning 4:30 a.m. So you can see the difference. There is difference of 4 hours, near about 4 hours. If you compare with India to Johannesburg, UAE and Melbourne and Mexico, you can see the variation in the time. You can see the variation in the time. So children, from the chart you came to know there is a variation in the time. As you compare with the time with India, so there is a variation. Why the difference is there? The difference is because of the position of the place. The difference is because of the position of the place. Okay, so now let's start with the longitudes. So longitudes are the lines run from north to south. And meet at the poles. They are the lines. They run from north to south and they will meet at the poles. These lines are also called as meridians. These longitudes are also called as meridians. What? They are also called as meridians. as Earth rotates on its axis. As the Earth rotates on its axis. In the previous class I told you the Earth rotates on its axis. So the position of the sun shifts. The position of the sun will change from meridian to meridian. So when the sun is above that meridian, that particular place will experience the noon or midday. So meridian is a Latin word. Meridian is a Latin word which means noon or midday. Meridian is a Latin word which means noon or midday. So when the sun is above that particular meridian, that place will experience the noon. See children, here this line you can see, this is a prime meridian. This prime meridian passes through the Greenwich near London. The prime meridian passes through the observatory Greenwich near London. This is a reference line. This is called prime meridian. Greenwich is marked with 0 longitude. Greenwich is marked with 0 longitude. The measurement will start from this prime meridian. This prime meridian divides the earth into two equal parts. The part near the east is called eastern hemisphere and the part near the west is called western hemisphere. How the equator divides the earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So here in longitude, this prime meridian will divides the earth into two equal parts, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. There are 180 meridians. So if you start from the measurement from 0 to 10, 20, 30 up to 180 degree towards east and 180 degree towards west. So as earth is geode in shape or round, so it measures 360 degrees. Unlike the latitudes, longitudes do not run parallel to the equator. They are far from the equator. The distance between the longitudes grows lesser and lesser and they meet two poles. As they meet two poles, the distance between them grows lesser and lesser. So this is all about longitudes. Longitudes will help us to calculate the time. So the variation is there, no? So the longitudes will help us to calculate the time. So what is the use of latitudes? Latitudes will help us to know the position of the place and longitudes will help us to know to calculate the time of a particular place. So this is all about longitudes. So in the next class we will learn about international dateline, why it is necessary and all. So you please go through the textbook, read it again and again. You will come to know. Please practice this diagram and all. So we will meet in the next class children. Bye. Thank you.